Alright guys, so in today's video what we're going to be doing is painting Cookie Man's truck. We're going to do a two-tone. We're going to be going pearl white, and then in these body lines he wants to do gold on this too, and then we're going to paint the fender flares gold. And we got a new bumper, we got a new tailgate. We're going to be color matching as well. We're going to be painting the door jambs. But yeah, first things first, we gotta go through, sand everything smooth, because on the previous paint job it's kind of chipping up. You can see like in here. We're just gonna run a bunch of fans, keep all the dust flowing out. We're gonna finish off with like 800 grit. Alright guys, I did skip a few steps. My battery died and I just kept on. We've got everything taped off. We've taped off the windows, we've taped off the door jambs, we've taped off the generator. We threw the new tailgate on. You can see it's all matte black. Sanded it, hit it with 600 grit. Taped off this entire side of the truck. I've already sprayed it down and hit it with the tack rag. Now what we're gonna do is hit the first layer of base coat, which is frost white, and yeah, that's what we're gonna lay down right now. It is the next morning. This is fully flashed off and cured. I almost have 100% coverage, but I need to go over with one more heavy coat just to ensure that all the bleed through is covered. Like you can see here, this only has, I think, 2 coats on the hood, so we need to do maybe 2 more coats to get full coverage and ensure that everything's gonna be covered. We don't want anything showing through the paint, especially in the sunlight or anything crazy like that. So alright guys, it is actually a couple days later. I ended up having to get brain surgery. They had removed a 2.7 centimeter tumor from my head. So that's besides the point. We're gonna shoot this gold today. We're gonna shake this up real good, and it mixes 1-to-1. We're gonna use this medium hardener, and then yeah, we're gonna shoot it. We're gonna shoot the fenders, and we're gonna shoot the pinstripes, and then let that cure. We're gonna do like 2 or 3 coats. So actually, we got my mask on first. Oh yeah, you guys wanna check out my scar? Crazy, huh? Hopefully this doesn't affect my incision. Now we're going to use 1 cup of reducer. Alright, now we're going to mix this thoroughly so she's fully incorporated. Alright, gun set to 30 psi. Alright, that's what we got. We got our spray pattern. That's what we're going to shoot. I totally did not record the clear, but the clear is shot. It's looking shiny. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this cure overnight, and I'm gonna pull the window tape, install the door handles, tailgate graphics, tail lights, headlights, clean off any overspray, and yeah, we'll be ready to roll.